Hello YouTube, anyways, today's video is going to be how to make a braided friendship bracelet. So if you don't already, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. There should be a red subscribe button underneath this video. It should be red somewhere. And if you do already like and subscribe, thank you so much. So anyways, let's get into the video. So anyways, what you're going to do first is you're going to separate your strings to kind of help you. So you're going to separate your strings. And I'm going to make sure this is a good focus real quick. Because I don't like whenever it's not in good focus. Oh, that looks good. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's okay. It looks like it's okay focus. So, the camera. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and take the outside one, which is purple, and we're going to bring it into the middle. So now the middle one is purple, and the pink and blue should be on the outside. And then we're going to take the opposite side and take the blue to the middle. And then now we're going to take the pink to the middle. And you can also put a clipboard or tape on this little piece on the end. And then you're just going to repeat that. So then you're going to hold it tight. And then purple in the middle. Then blue. So you're taking the outer sides and pretty much just put them in the middle. And if you know how to braid, it should be pretty easy for you to make this. And take it to the middle. And take the outer ones to the middle. And then just braid it all the way down till you get it. So if you don't already like and subscribe, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you already do like and subscribe, thank you. And also feel free to fast forward, rewind, and replay this video. And here, I'm going to kind of show you what it looks like now. So there you can see the braid, and that's how you make the braided friendship bracelet. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. And thank you just for watching this video. See ya!